And for today, dahil tamad ako, we will be doing Banoffee Pie. It's an easy no-bake dessert. Okay? For the recipe, you have ripe bananas, butter, sugar, melted chocolate, all-purpose cream, grahams, melted butter, whipping cream, and your condensed milk. Okay, let's start. First, let's mix the grahams and your melted butter. If you don't have grahams, you can pulse your biscuits. Mix this. And then divide into 3, I think 6-inch to. 6-inch aluminum tray para ready to benta. One recipe of my Banoffee will give you 3 of this. Or 1 10-inch na pie plate. And then, let's divide. Rest aside. Huwag mo i-level hanggang dito ha. We will be putting some whipping cream on top. And then after pressing your crust, chill natin to for about 15 minutes. And then let's put the next layer. Then chill. Next layer would be your ganache. So, mix your all-purpose cream and your melted chocolate. Tapos, set aside. Huwag malito ha, si all-purpose cream will go to the chocolate for the ganache. Si whipping cream later for decoration. And then, set aside. Last layer is your third layer is your caramel. I have your condensed milk, butter, and my sugar. In your saucepan, mix your sugar and your butter. Once your sugar is melted, mix your condensed milk. Yan. Once nag-brown na yung side, you add your condensed milk. Yan. After 2 to 3 minutes, transfer na natin siya. And then, pa-cool down. Once chilled na si CRUST, let's put first the ganache. Tira konti for top later. And then, you have here the sliced banana. Unahin natin si banana, then after the banana, the caramel. Guys, if you don't want to cook caramel, kasi takot kayo, you can use dulce de leche. May ready-made na dulce de leche, or if you want to make one, pressure cooker nyo lang yung condensed milk for 30 to 45 minutes. If you want more bananas, go ahead, put more. Again, don't forget to wash your hands. After the bananas, let's chill again for 10 minutes. Okay, paset natin si ganache and then let's add the caramel. Yan, so once set na si ganache, let's pour the caramel. Tapos, set natin ulit. Don't put too much para hindi masyadong matamis. Yan. We can chill that again for another 10 minutes. But while mag-chill siya, let's do the whipping cream. Okay? Let's whip the whipping cream. I'm using Mona Lisa. Kung walang Mona Lisa, you can use sponge. Okay? After 3 minutes, still malambot. Okay? So, we need to mix it again for another 3 minutes. Kailangan siya stiff. Okay? If you're if you're using hand mixer, you need to know the consistency of your meringue. Huwag mo i-base dun sa ilang minutes or whatsoever. You need to check it. Like, for example, like that. That's too soft. Malambot pa yan. So, mix it again. Yan. So, once the whipped cream is done, I'm using tip number 21. Okay? Fill your piping bag. Tapos, let's cover. It's up to you kung anong design gusto mo. Yan. So, after putting whipped cream on top or decorating your banoffee, let's drizzle some chocolate and yung sobrang caramel on top. Okay? Para hindi siya masyadong puti. There you go, your banoffee or no-bake banoffee pie. Okay, very easy to make. Guys, please comment down below kung ano yung gusto nyong i-demo ko next. Okay, na recipe. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel. Enjoy baking!